Hello, and welcome to Simple Conversations. I'm Amy.
And I'm John. Thank you so much for joining us today.
This podcast is for people who are learning English. We talk slowly and clearly so that you can follow along easily.
That's right. We talk about everyday topics, things that real people talk about in real life.
And today, we have a very exciting topic. John, do you want to tell our listeners what we're talking about today?
Yes, today we are talking about Los Angeles, California.
Los Angeles. What a wonderful city.
It really is. Los Angeles is one of the most famous cities in the world. It is a big, beautiful city on the west coast of the United States.
And if you ever visit the United States, Los Angeles is a great place to go. There is so much to see and do there.
Absolutely. So today, Amy and I are going to talk about some of our favorite things to see and do in Los Angeles.
We will talk about some popular tourist spots, places that visitors love to go when they're in the city.
So let's get started.
Okay, John, so let's imagine that we are in Los Angeles right now. We just arrived. What is the first thing you want to do?
Oh, that's easy. The first thing I want to do is go to Hollywood.
Of course, Hollywood is probably the most famous neighborhood in all of Los Angeles.
Maybe in the whole world. When most people think of Los Angeles, they think of Hollywood.
That's true, and one of the most famous things in Hollywood is the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Yes, the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Can you explain what that is, Amy, for our listeners who may not know?
Sure, the Hollywood Walk of Fame is a very long sidewalk, a walkway, with more than 2,500 stars on the ground.
2,500 stars. That is a lot.
It is, and each star has the name of a famous person on it. Actors, musicians, directors, people who are famous in the entertainment world.
So when you walk down Hollywood Boulevard, you are literally walking on the names of famous people.
Exactly. You might walk over the star of Marilyn Monroe, or Michael Jackson, or even Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse has a star?
He does. It's very cute.
I love that. So the Walk of Fame is something you can do for free, right? You just walk along the street?
Yes, it's completely free. You just walk and look at the stars. Most people take photos of their favorite stars.
And while you are in Hollywood, you can also try to see the Hollywood sign.
Oh, yes, the Hollywood sign. That is another very famous landmark.
The Hollywood sign is up in the hills above the city. It is very large and very white. You can see it from many places in Los Angeles.
Some people hike up into the hills to get close to the sign, but even from far away, it is exciting to see.
It really feels like you are in Hollywood when you see that sign.
It does. Okay, so that's Hollywood. What is the next place you want to visit?
I think I want to go to the beach. Specifically, I want to go to Santa Monica.
Oh, Santa Monica. Yes, that is a beautiful area.
Santa Monica is a city right next to Los Angeles, and it is right on the ocean, the Pacific Ocean.
And Santa Monica has a very famous pier, the Santa Monica Pier.
Yes, a pier is a long walkway that goes out over the water, and the Santa Monica Pier is very special because it has an amusement park on it.
That's right. Right there on the pier, over the ocean, there are rides and games and food.
There is even a Ferris wheel, a big, colorful Ferris wheel right over the water.
It is so beautiful, especially at night when all the lights are on.
And the Santa Monica beach itself is wonderful. Long, wide, and sandy, perfect for walking, relaxing, or just watching the waves.
A lot of people also ride bikes along the beach path. There is a long path that goes along the coast, and it is very popular with cyclists and joggers.
Los Angeles is a very active city. People love to be outside.
They do. The weather helps. It is almost always warm and sunny in Los Angeles.
Almost always. That is one of the best things about the city, the sunshine.
Okay, so we have Hollywood and Santa Monica. What is next on our list?
I think we should talk about something a little more cultural. How about the Getty Center?
Oh, the Getty. That is a wonderful choice.
The Getty Center is a large art museum in Los Angeles. It sits high up on a hill, and from there you can see amazing views of the city and the ocean.
And the building itself is stunning. It's modern and beautiful, white and bright. A lot of people go just to see the architecture, not just the art inside.
Right, the building is like a work of art by itself.
And the gardens around the museum are also very lovely. People like to walk through the gardens and enjoy the views.
And the best part, the museum is free to visit. You only pay for parking.
That's right, so it's a great option if you want to have a nice day out without spending too much money.
Inside, there are paintings, sculptures, photography, and more. Art from hundreds of years ago, all the way to modern times.
If you enjoy art, or even if you are just curious, the Getty is a wonderful place to spend a few hours.
I completely agree. Okay, Amy, one more place. What is your pick for our last stop?
My last pick, I have to say Universal Studios Hollywood.
Oh, of course. That is a classic Los Angeles experience.
Universal Studios Hollywood is a theme park, but it's not just any theme park. It's built on a real, working movie studio.
That's what makes it so special. You're in a place where real movies and TV shows are actually made.
There are rides based on famous movies like Jurassic Park and Harry Potter and Minions.
The wizarding world of Harry Potter is especially popular. They've recreated the village of Hogsmeade from the Harry Potter movies. It looks exactly like the films.
You can walk through the streets, visit the shops, and even drink butterbeer, a special sweet drink from the Harry Potter story.
Is it good?
It is delicious, a little sweet, but very tasty.
I need to try that. And there's also the studio tour, right?
Yes, the studio tour is a tram ride through the real parts of the studio. You see real sets, the places where famous movies were filmed.
It's a fascinating behind-the-scenes look at how movies are made.
Universal Studios is a full-day activity. There is so much to see and do. Families love it, but adults enjoy it just as much.
It's a little expensive, but for a special trip to Los Angeles, it's a wonderful experience.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's quickly review the 4 places we talked about today.
Great idea. So number 1, the Hollywood Walk of Fame and the Hollywood sign.
Number 2, Santa Monica Pier and the beach.
Number 3, the Getty Center, the beautiful art museum on the hill.
And number 4, Universal Studios Hollywood, the famous movie theme park.
4 amazing places, all in the city of Los Angeles.
And honestly, there's so much more to see. Los Angeles is a huge city with so many different neighborhoods and things to explore.
We could do a whole series just on Los Angeles.
Maybe we will, but for today, those are our highlights.
Well, that was a wonderful conversation, Amy. I feel like I want to jump on a plane and fly to Los Angeles right now.
Me too. Maybe one day we'll record an episode from there.
That would be amazing. Okay, to everyone listening today, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for spending this time with us. We hope the conversation was easy to follow and that you learned some new words and phrases today.
Remember, the best way to learn a language is to listen as much as possible. So keep listening, keep practicing, and be patient with yourself.
You are doing a great job just by being here.
That's right. We will be back soon with another episode of Simple Conversations, where we will explore another city and have another friendly chat.
We hope to see you there. Until next time, take care.
Bye for now.
Bye.